A question we are asked regularly is if we have repair tape for the covers that we sell. And that certainly is a legitimate question, since regardless of how careful you are, accidents are going to happen. Now, the good news is that we do have an extremely high quality repair tape, both for tarp and for plastic. And what really sets that tape apart is the fact that the adhesive on it is UV stabilized, which means that it will be good for the life of the cover if it is applied properly. The plastic repair tape comes in a variety of different widths. It is clear. This is a 2-inch wide roll. Our most common size is the 4-inch wide, since it's a little bit more multi-purpose, and it sells for $46 for a 48-foot long roll, plus courier and taxes. Now the tarp tape is a lot bigger roll. It's 12 inches wide by 48 feet long. It sells for $185. Now both of our tapes have a backing, but because the tarp tape has a backing as well, it's easy to peel it off, and we can sell it to customers by the foot. So it's easy to have something in it, but can be then cut into squares like for patches. The tape should be applied to the outside of the cover, and the cover should always be warm, and it is especially important that it is dry. Another thing that I would like to point out is that cuts will never occur in a convenient spot, so I cannot stress enough that safety first. Be careful in how you do this. It is something that quite often is better off to be done with 2 people. The intent here is that we help you to get it right, and we're going to do this together.